Hey, good afternoon folks. Mark Nora at Guarantee RV here today. We're going to tour a Jayco 24L Sprinter style RV today. It's a full slide. Come on in, let's take a look. Folks, this is one of my favorite RVs in the Sprinter size. If you take a look, yes, they are 24 foot roughly in size. We got a nice U-shaped dinette here, and if you notice, this is a full slide unit, which I love about it. Look at this space. If you're traveling, these are great little travelers. Stay in a place 3 to 5 days, you're off to the next place. Again, we want to get on the road and get going. We got lots of storage in here with a nice big cabinetry, dresser drawers, packed to stay for a while. Again, get on that road and get going. Nice big pantry over here, folks. You can take a look, store your goods in it. And again, it's just a nice open floor plan. We do have a walk-around bed right here, which is nice. Comes in with that full wall slide. She's wired for a TV and entertainment back here as well. If you just take a quick step back, what I love about these, the bath's in the corner of the unit. It's not in the middle of the unit. Gives you a full-size bath. It's out of the way, and it's actually a little bit larger in my opinion. They're more functional than most. We got a great kitchen here, nice oversized double fridge, 2-burner cooktop, and one thing they got here is a nice residential style convection oven. Nice cabinets, nice and roomy unit, and agreeing this is a great unit for traveling. Folks, this is again a great unit, the Jayco 24L. As you can see, this is full paint. We got some decent storage, nice aluminum wheels. This thing's really nice on the road. It's about a 13 to 15 mile per gallon vehicle. Get on the road, travel. Hey, come down, see me, see how I can help you with a brand new RV, or used in this case. It's a 2017, super low miles. Reach out to Guarantee or drop me an email. Thank you so much. Make it a great day.